coming out of lockdown, back to mahi. Well, I'm certainly back to mahi as of Thursday. So yeah, just easing things into things slowly. Kia ora, Mel. And of course we've got to make sure all our protocols and our health and safety and stuff is all there in place as we're going back to mahi. And you'd have all the same stuff with you a lot, wouldn't you, Mr.
Yes.
Union Man?
Yes. Yeah, we do.
Would you like to add?
I'm tired. Yeah, no.
Back.
We're getting back to work, and more important, it's not so much us. It's the workers who have been working all the way through. All our water work guys, our guys out on the road, and our guys in the DHB, and that. So getting back and supporting them.
Supporting the workers. So yeah, if you're back at work this week, look after yourselves. We've all had a good rest, supposedly, or most of us who've been on lockdown. You had a good rest, I had a good rest. We didn't strangle each other, we came out the other end of it.
That's close.
Yeah, interesting. What to talk to for, how many days, what to talk about to each other for how many days, while you're in the same whares. Yeah, then you soon start making up stories and, hey, Rob.
And you get to learn what your partner
Exaggerating.
must have been like as a child.
Oh, whatever.
Hey,
Whatever. As a child.
all those annoying little things they do.
Annoying personality. So yeah, we'd just like to welcome you to our little waiata session tonight. This is number 9, is it, Rob? Number 9-ish?
Yeah,
We're heading into double digits whānau. So yeah, since I've been busy getting back to mahi, so tonight we're just gonna revise everything that we've learned up until this point, which is a lot, because someone was complaining last time. Hey Rob.
Hey.
You.
About what?
There's like too many songs.
Well,
We go from no songs to too many songs.
Yeah.
I want to add like 2, 3 every. Rob's
Okay.
like, oi, slow down, slow the boat, slow the flow. Kia ora, Megs.
You don't have to read every book in the
Nisha.
library.
Hi, kia ora. Every book in the library? No. Gotta strike while the iron's hot. While it's
Okay.
hot.
Yeah.
Shut up. So you are watching Manawa Ora Miri Workshops Waiata in lockdown. We're actually coming out of Waiata lockdown, so we're just going to call this Māori Waiata, I guess, from now on. And if this is the first time you're joining us, I have all the kupu to all the words to the Waiata that we've learnt up until this point. There's around about 20 Māori Waiata. All the words are on the Facebook page, Manawa Ora Miri and Workshops Facebook page. So please like the page, go down, you'll find the kupu, you can print them all off, and every now and then we'll just keep adding a new waiata for people to learn. If you would like us to learn, if you got one in mind, then just add it on the page there, and we'll certainly add it to our little repertoire of waiata that we're building up. Kia ora, Mark. Kia ora, Mr. Nurse. You in the whānau out there. I hope you're doing well tonight. And Bridget. Kia ora. Alright, so we're going to start off with whakaaria mai. That's what we normally do. Week 1, whakaaria mai, Tāne Mahuta and Wairua Tapu. Okay? Good with that?
Let's go.
Just tell me if I'm going too fast, okay?
You can
And I'll slow down. Whakaaria mai. Tane mahuta. Orupa. Kia rite koe. Ite totara. Etu, etu, etu. Tane mahuta. Mauri ora. Te wairo te totara. Etu, 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 etu. Tane mahuta. Ora hia mahere. Puriane. E te hau. Makere. Makere ana. Etu, etu, etu. Tane mahuta. Iarite, iarite koe. Ite totara. Etu, etu, etu. Tane mahuta. Mauri ora. Te wairo te totara. Etu, etu, etu. Tane mahuta. Ora hia mahere. Puriane. E te hau. Makere ana. Etu, etu, etu. Tane mahuta. Tane mahuta. Tane mahuta. One more time. Tane mahuta. Kia ora Ian. Kia ora Linnea. Is Tonga on?
Haven't seen it.
Wairua tapu. We're doing week 1. Toru pa. Wairua tapu. Toru mai rā. Wairua tapu. Mai rā. Uria mai. Ngā taonga pai. O mai toa roa. Ano. Wairua tapu. Toru mai rā. Wairua tapu. Mai rā. Uria mai. Ngā taonga pai. O mai toa roa. Wahia. Mahia. Katika. Akora maira kia ui te pa. Oroia. Kia mai tonura. Moho te tino horia. Waira. Waira tapu. Toru mai rā. Waira tapu. Mai rā. Uria. Uria mai. Ngā taonga pai. O mai toa roa. Finish off. Waira. Waira tapu. Toru mai rā. Waira tapu. Toru mai rā. Waira tapu. Toru mai rā. Kia ora pai. Kia ora. Patty. Right. That was week 1. Week 1. We're making our way through our lot of wairuas that we've been learning over the last, geez, how many weeks has it been now? 7, 6? 7 weeks.
7. Yeah, we're around there somewhere.
7 weeks worth
Somewhere
of
where?
waiata. So you guys should be getting really familiar with these ones that we're doing now. Pakataka te hau. Week 2. Soipa. Pakataka te hau. Ki te uru. Next taonga. Kia ora pao. Read that comment from he's commenting on your jersey. Shall I read it for you?
I can't even see it.
Oh no, I better not. No, it's about work. Oh, he's saying if you make some money, you can afford a Crusaders jersey instead of that rag you're wearing. Koha in the mail.
Greg. Be nice, you know.
Keep them coming, keep them coming.
Hey,
Hey, how come? Hey, oh no. Okay. Tai aroha. Te aroha no e wai. If you're just joining us, can you see him telling me to hurry up? Can you see that face? That means can you stop talking? Can you hurry up, please? Because I want to get back to my recliner.
shall I show them
So
my
just
time?
for that,
It's easy. Because Jolie is no good.
This is what Rob does. He's got me on a timer, but
See?
like, can you get more old school? And where are we in Greece?
So when this runs out,
Like,
we
Sans,
sign off.
this is
We sign. There is
this
no.
is the young and the restless people.
we
This
sign
is
off.
the young and the restless. When the sands of time run out, he turns my phone off and he quits. He's just got cobwebs on it. Clean it. So that thing's sitting over there out of friggin', but I'm looking at it like, just for that I'm gonna sing slower. I'm gonna sing slower, so we'll have to turn it over again.
Oh, hot now.
Keep it, ooh, can't handle it. Can't handle the heat.
Nice.
Turning the phone around. Alright, Tai Aroha people, if you've just joined us, it's your first time here, Manawa Ora Mirimiri Workshop Waiata Māori, you can go on the page and download the words to the songs there. Okay, we're just making our way through what we've learned so far, and we're only on week 2. You know, there's been like...
Yep, 15 minutes is gone.
The more of that sand has fallen through, it's fallen through. Tai Aroha, Uru, Pa, Te Aroha no Te Wai, Te Kukura Te Ana, Te Awai Mapuna Mai Ana, I roto I te watu Manawa. Damn it, we'll have to sing it all over again. Oru, pa, hey! Linnea said to put more sand in it. I think that's a good idea. Sneak out when Rob goes to work. Put another hour's worth in there. That's a good idea, Rob.
No.
Yes, it's a good idea. Well, turn a page, turn a page. You want to sing it again? Oh, Tia Homaira. Tia Homaira. Te vetu o te ata. O ui te a. Hare hare te ko. Ka tu te awarama. He a hara. Tu mai ra koe he koku i aha. Tu mai ra koe he koku i aha. Ano. Tia Homaira. Te vetu o te ata. Koku i te a. Hare hare te po. Ka tu te amarama. He a hara. Tu mai ra koe he koku i maira kia e te karu o i maira ki te pau e te karu. Finishing off. Tia ho maira. Okay. Tia ho maira. I always lose it on that, but I'm going to practice that. Sorry. Jeez. Got it. Now that I've sung it. Okay. Help me out, Robert. Kawaiata. You're on to week 3 now. Kawaiata. Oh, sorry. Ko te whaia. Pa. Kawaiata. Kamaia. Hinehi waka. Papa mea te mai te whare tāngata. E piro tu. I me puro tu, I me nako, I me rangi mai e. O te whaia, o te whaia, o te ao, o te ao. Kia ora Margaret, kia ora Clio. Indeed. Kia ora koutou. Mā te kahukura. Flash mob. Mā te kahukura karere te mani e mana rūre. Karere koe. Ka tahi atu koe ki te taumata. e re runga rawara e. Kia ora. Shani. Shani's on there. And, oh, Michael. Hi, Bo. Hey, Mike. Going good with the 25 press-ups, I see. Are they getting any easier? Chair, bro. I saw you today. You looked awesome on there. Just a tribute to your boy too. So yeah, ngā mihi aroha ki a koe. That was awesome to see. Nice, nice, nice. Right. Oh, Mum. Do you know that song? I love you. Don't screw your face up, jeez. We're ad-libbing, Rob. You know, because it was Mother's Day, wasn't it? Was it? Did you give me anything? No.
Are you my
You
mother?
didn't. Yes. Is Rob's mum out here? No, she's not. Oh, hi. This is what he does. I don't want to sing there. I'm going to get a cup of tea. If you know to take a song, sing it for your mother.
And to my mum, who turned 77 yesterday.
Oh, whackers. Man alive. 77, all the legs clickety click. Or whatever the housey numbers are. 77, man, that's an achievement and a half. Happy birthday, Mum. Mum.
I was feeling 72.
What? Get your age, jeez.
Yeah.
It's bad enough you announce your age online to like hundreds of people, but then she's not as old as you said.
No.
She's not that old.
No, she's 72.
She's actually 55.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Like 2 decades out, Whānau. Right, yeah. Whitney and Jason. Okay, whakarongo mai. So we're moving into, oh look Rob, we're halfway. Are the sands of time running out on me here?
Are you on schedule?
I'm on schedule. Yes.
Yeah.
I'll just keep chugging along. Right, week 4, I think we only did one because it was that biggie Ngā Puawai o Ngā Puhi. This is our national anthem from up home. Mel's like, shite. No, wrong. Ngā Puawai. Whakarongo mai ki te rewe tangi me, e wiki te mai ana
Hi, Dougie.
Oh, Dougie. Kia ora, Dougie. Okay. Week 5, me mihi and hutia te rito. Me mihi ki te rangi. You know these ones, eh? I'm sure you know some of them by now. Alright, don't spill your drink. You know your drink's gonna spill on
The sands keep moving.
Me mihi ki te rangi e tuino ne. E whaia papatu anu ku e takoto ne. Ora ia te marino ki ngā i te moana. Koe ama te waka me ama. I te takoto rangai takoto ai te waka. I te takoto rangai takoto ai te waka. Me mihi ki te rangi e tuino ne. E whaia papatu anu ku e takoto ne. Ora ia te marino ki ngā i te moana. Toi ama te waka me ama. Ki te takoto rangai takoto ai te waka. Ki te takoto rangai takoto ai te waka. Darling, there's a word in there, toia mai, I sing hoia mai, whatever. Either or. Tia te rito.
You're an egg.
You're just an egg.
You ready? See?
Ah!
Hurry up. Jolie.
Sing it, Rob. Order. Well, I did, didn't I? I had the notes. It's like Britain's Got Talent. Going up in air. Up in air. Right, we're heading up to Muri Whenua. Whakarongo, Rob favourite song. Hey, Rob, do you know the actions? Whakarongo ki te.
I'm kick you, see?
Sand's running out, but I don't care. I'm just gonna keep singing. You know how hard that is to sing and play and everything else that I'm doing here?
And what?
It sounds easy, but it's actually quite hard to sing and play at the same time. Right, week 6 is Te Manurongo and He Honore. You like this, Mariwa? Ah, good, good, good. Kia ora, Valerie, Anne-Marie. Okay. Another one of your favorite songs. Hey, Rob.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, act. Oh, sorry, I missed out another verse. Joking.
I was wondering.
Okay, my glasses are fogging up or something. I totally missed the second verse, but never mind. Never mind. Let's get rid of that person. Dinging me. Oh, that'll teach me. Oh, just leave it there. Kia ora, Tracy. He ho nore. This is a good little rounder. Karakia nehi. Kaupapa hui anything song. He ho nore. E kororia magarongo ki te It hasn't moved in the last 5 songs. Is it going up or down? Looks like it's filling up. Okay. Week 7 was our little Anzac thingy-majiggy. Off to war we go. That's a mouthful, eh? Hey, well.
They're all a mouthful.
They're all a mouthful. Not this one. Hoki mai e tamana ki roto ki roto Inga ringa e tu whera tine I te kapa kapa mai te aki Inga rangi nunga tia manga e hoki mai Hoki mai, hoki mai, ki te wakaina E ki tuki e tu mana po, tu mana po Ki te kapa kapa mai, te aki Uina rangi nunga tia mana e Amai, hai puhi Break out some pois, eh? Pohi, the poi queen over there. Kia ora, Gail. Rob's hurrying me along. Look, the sand's... I'm sure it's not going. It's stuck.
Well,
you want to shake it?
No.
Just put it up the
It's
other
going.
way?
It's going.
Then it'll go back again.
No.
Oh, Air Kiwi Air was our other one. Na, na, na. I'm still learning this one. Air Kiwi Air. We've only sung it a couple of times. Must have missed the date. Oh yeah. It's alright, there'll be more. Hey Rob. Hey Rob. I can see your face. I can see his face, whānau. Air Kiwi Air. practice that one more. Okay, that was e kiwi e. Ui, whakarongo mai ki te tangi was week 8. Was there another one there? No. Whakarongo mai ki te tangi o Ranginui, week 8. Yeah. You gotta come here, sing with me. Rob's turning the page fast here. How does this one go? Oh, I haven't even got up. I can't even. Kia pai mari, kia pai. Oh, hang on. Oh, anyway. Oh, no, I got it. Don't panic. I think I got it. might be the last one. Oh, no. Whiti te marama I te pō. That was the last one last time. Hey, hey. No, they're too high. I can't see the note. Marama I te pō. You know what happens though?
No.
I know. How come I lost it in here? Did you quickly skip over the page? You did, eh? Yikes, you pulled it out. Wait, here it is. I'm not a smoker anymore. Kia ora Anna, kia ora Janine. I think that's us. I think we've gone through the whole lot. Oh my God, I feel like I had to bring in telethon, marathon, sing-a-thon. We did the whole lot, eh? Well,
I think we did, yeah. I can't even see the time.
There. It's on there somewhere.
Oh yeah, keep a quarter past 9.
Ah, cool. All right, so we just that's us, whānau. We've gone through the whole shebang over the last 7 weeks. So we'll finish off with which one? Is Tonga still there? Is Tonga still there?
It's probably run off to bed.
We always put him to sleep, eh, Tonga? Whakaaria mai. Joining us tonight on Waiata Māori in lockdown. Now Waiata Māori out of sort of lockdown level 2.
Yeah.
Getting back to some semblance of normality, if whatever that's gonna start looking like, hey whānau. So just do what you're doing. If you're going back to work, make sure you got all your health and safety procedures in place. Hey, let's go easy on Jacinda, man. She's getting hammered on Facebook. She's getting absolutely hammered, and man, she ain't perfect, but far out, we're still alive. So let's please appreciate that we are actually in a good position compared to most other people in the world. So I'm really appreciative. I'm grateful that we're doing all right in the bigger scheme of things. We are doing all right. We got our whānau. We're pretty awesome. So stay awesome whānau, and we'll catch you guys next time.
And don't listen to the National Party. Okay, they're the ones who brought in all the laws. And I mean, look, just on a serious note, there's a lot of rubbish going on at the moment from the Māori Party and from National Party about get rid of the Labour caucus. They're all a bunch of turncoats. Look, if anyone had bothered to read the Act before the word marae got taken out, what they had actually achieved was quite amazing. They had got more protection for the marae than for any other facility in New Zealand. So I was waiting for National to attack, saying Māori got privilege, a lot better privilege than the rest of New Zealand once again. But they were smart. What they focused on was they used pubs and malls versus marae. So they used the race card and Māori bought into it. But if you'd read it, what it actually said, what the Act said was there was a higher threshold for police to be able to go onto a marae. And unlike going into any other building, to go onto a marae, the only thing they could ever go onto a marae for was if there was a clear breach of COVID-19, and that wasn't to arrest, it was to disperse if there was a clear breach. So it's easy at the moment. You're going to see in the next 3 or 4 months, you're going to see a lot of people talking about this is why we need Māori Party back, this is why we need Māori who look after Māori. Look, this is a government who put up minimum rate by $1.20 last year. Don't forget who was when they did the wage subsidy this year, when we had the global finance crash a few years ago, what did National and the Māori Party do? They gave tax cuts to the highest paid bloody people in the country, and they put up GST. So us the lowest paid workers got hit twice. They didn't get a tax break and they got GST increased. This government got accused of running the country broke for not reneging on the $1.20 going on the minimum wage again this year. So regardless of the trouble we were in, they still lifted the rates of the lowest paid workers in this country by $1.20. On top of that, they gave subsidies, and there's a lot of work. And look, we're dealing with a lot of the ministers at the moment, and with Māori caucus. And I'll tell you one thing, these ministers are working their guts out, trying to do the best to make sure that people have jobs. And it's really important that we don't buy into the bullshit of has-been politicians who want to go way back into Parliament, and I'm talking about the Māori Party, or you know, the same people who are saying that National, the only ones fighting for the Māori were National. Don't forget, 2 weeks ago, this whole National Party were calling Māori checkpoints racist, illegal. They use emotions of Māori to suit their needs. What was the one thing that came out of getting rid of marae out of the wording? Was what it allowed. The only thing that really changed was churches. It was all about religion. It had nothing to do with marae. They couldn't convince the government to do anything to change unless they removed the word marae away from the Act. The minute they did that, have a look at who Alfred Ngāroa is. He's a church-going, God-fearing person, nothing wrong with that, but understand what he was fighting for. It wasn't for marae. He was fighting to get people back into the churches. That's why Hannah Tamaki and all of them were fighting. They weren't fighting for Māori. They want people back in the Destiny Church, you know. So just be careful that you don't get caught up. Talk to our young ones that they don't get caught up in the emotional stuff that we're going to hear over the next few weeks. Because first of all, it was Labour and this coalition government are going to run this country broke. But when workers saw that actually the Labour government was giving money out to the workers, they had to find something else to have a dig at. And the easiest way 2 weeks ago was have a dig at the Māori checkpoints. When that didn't work, what did they do? They kept on saying, oh, how come we can go to the pubs, how come we can go to the malls, but we can't go to tangies? But they were talking, and we bought into it. They were talking as if Māori don't go to the pubs, Māori don't go to the malls, and non-Māori don't have tangies. You know, and a lot of our people bought into it. So we just got to be mindful and ask ourselves, what sort of country do we want to live in? Because I'm telling you now, if National and their cronies get back in this next election, what you will see is a lowering of the minimum wage, and you will see us going back to giving tax cuts to the rich. Have a look at the budget speech when Grant Robertson said, we are not a government who will watch a company suffer while lining our own pockets. He then looked straight at Simon Bridges, and that was a pointed remark. That was saying to Labour, to National, we ain't going to let people like you get in here and line you and your mates' bloody pockets while our country's going down the gurgler. So, yeah, just be kind. When you hear things up on thing about running down Māori who are working for Labour because, you know, only a true New Zealand, only a true Māori party will look after Māori interests, let me tell you, as a union organiser, our Māori people are some of the lowest paid in the country. And the Māori Party, along with National, made sure they stayed that way for 9 years. And I can say that because we fought every step of the way. This government has done more for us than the previous government had done in previous 9 years, but there's still a lot of work to do. And we should be criticising Labour when they get things wrong, and we don't have an issue doing that. But we've got to be careful that we don't buy into the rubbish that's going around up there. Anyway,
You heard it
be
here.
safe. Be safe.
You heard it here.
Be kind.
Yes.
And I see old Mr. Gage. We're talking to Shane Jones about sawmilling and about getting bloody getting forestry back into the goes. And we've used Tokoroa as a good example. Tokoroa is a fantastic example of when employment was at its best, and when employers pulled out of a town. We saw the devastation of Tokoroa. We saw more. We've now got more alcohol shops in there than anything before. So there's a lot of talk going on, and you know, we ain't scared to criticise Labour because they've got to be held to account. But the Labour New Zealand First Greens coalition is far better than any alternative the right will put on. Kia ora, be safe. Catch you in a month's time.
What he said, whānau.
A month? You're going to do this in a month?
Nah. Thanks for joining us, whānau. Get all your latest updates, news, weather and sports here. and sports. Not only politics, sports updates.
And go on our A1's Facebook page and like it.
Like A1. But don't forget, Miri.
Yeah.
Manawa ora Miri workshop. Nah, whānau. It's good to hang out with you, spend some time with you. Take care, and we'll catch you guys next time.
I need to get to where you, Mel? Where's Mel?
Mel?
Sydney.
No,
Brisbane.
Who are you talking about?
Mel.
No.
I need to get to you, Mel.
Well,
My arm is my shoulder is killing me.
Yeah, and he won't let me touch him with a 10-foot pole, so.
Because she's just not as good as
It's
you
not.
at fixing me up. Because
Yeah.
every
Maybe
time
you're
she
just
puts her
better than
hands
I
on me,
am.
she remembers that last argument we had.
Okay, whānau, you guys take care. We'll see you next time.
Pomari.
Pomari.